Hey there and welcome to the future of mobile application. Before that, if you guys are new here, join to the unbox code. So today topic, evaluating code quality with top VS Code extensions. So we guys are already know for coder, we are mostly using the VS Code. So we need to use a lot of optimization to work easy and giving the code quality. So here we are going to see the lot of softwares that's giving easy to improve our code quality. So ensuring high code quality is a fundamental aspect of software development. As softwares, we strive to write clean and maintainable error-free code. Thankfully, VS Code, a popular code editor, provides a robust ecosystem of extensions that can be significantly enhance our coding experience and evaluate code quality. In this blog post, we will explore some of the best VS Code extensions that can be empower developers to write better code. The firstly, ESLint. ESLint. So ESLint is a widely used tool for identifying and finding common programming errors and enforcing consistency coding styles. Integrating ESLint to your VS Code workflow ensures that your code adheres to the best practice, catches potential bugs early, and maintains a uniform coding style across your project. So simply go to your VS Code, then go to the fourth one, which is the fifth one, extensions. You just type here ESLint. So this is the first one. You can able to see around 32 lakh of downloads was there. So it's a simple to use. You're just giving an install. So if you are installing this, it will be giving the lot of errors that easy to change. So if you're using the writing the lot of code, we can able to write a lot of errors, right? So it will be easily to identify the error, so it will show the error and it will maintain the code quality. So if you're using this, it will be mostly reduced 50% of code bugs while writing these things. This secondly, the sonar land. So ESLint is a widely used tool for identifying, fixing the common thing. So we already seen this, right? So next, secondly, the sonar lint. So sonar lint extends your ID to continuously analyze your code in real time, providing instant feedback on coding quality and security issue. With sonar lint, you can identify address potential problems before they execute, so ensuring that your code base remains clean and efficient. So SonarLint is the main, the basic thing we guys should implement. So for example, if wait, we'll see here. So this is the SonarLint. So if you are using the SonarLint, if we are using the lot of complicated code, it will be shown while writing the code itself. It will give a error. You guys need to write a code differently. Also see here, right? So for home, it will give giving a black underline. So this is the sonalint error. While you're hovering this, empty component are self closing. So this is the error, and also it will be showing the lot of things. So if you guys are using lot of ternary operator instead of using if else, one thing we guys are already know, most of the developer thinks instead of using if else we can go with the ternary operator. That's the good approach, but technically that's a bad approach. So wherever you are using a ternary operator, so using the ternary operator is the good thing, but for nested if else condition we should not use the ternary operator. So if you are using the ternary operator as a nested thing, definitely it will be showing an error, and also it will leads to lot of technical breach. Hacker can easily hack our code. So using that, though SonarLint will give a lot of things, so we can easily identify the thing. We can resolve this. So SonarLint is the mainly major thing we guys should use. For some other VS Code extensions, Windows machine, when we are using the sonar lint, it will be showing a lot of error. Like sometimes sonar lint will not show, error will not show. So again, we need to uninstall the sonar lint and install again. So for resolving that thing, along with that, you guys try to install language supporter of Java TM read thing. So while installing this, it will not allow to every time reload our sonar lint. So this is the basic thing. When we are using the sonar lint, along with that, you guys need to install language support of JavaScript. Third one, git lens. So using the git lens, we can able to identify the last commit. So for committing the thing, we guys already using the git. Maybe we can use github or git thing. So this is the main thing. So GitLens empowers developers with advanced Git capability directly within VS Code, with features like inline blame annotations and powerful commit history explorer. The lens ensure better version control, making it easier to understand, track, and improve your code base to our code base overall time. So for team, we may work on the same project. We guys should do a git commit. So we need to, while seeing the code itself, it will be so who committed this code, when they committed this code, what is the commit, they have commit name, they have given all those things, it will be shown in the git lens. So git lens also one of the basic major thing. So the nextly, the bracket pair coloration toggler. So this is nothing but an easy thing. If you are guys going with a nested thing, we may have confusion with braces and brackets, right? So it will show the color code along with that. So if you are having the lot of things, so it will be showing with a different color. So this is the basic one. Maintaining our code clearly is vital, especially when dealing with the nested structures. The bracket bar coloration toggler enhance the readability of your code by coloring the matches bracket, making it easier to identify the code block and maintain a structured and organized code base. Secondly, code spell checker. So this code spell checker is nothing but it will, while writing the code itself, it will be showing if something having the spelling mistake. For example, if you are a beginner while writing the code, we may have a lot of spell mistake, right? So for clearing and better code quality project while we are creating, the spelling mistake will be the most corrected one. So someone is reading your code, while seeing the code itself, they can easily understand, okay, this guy is a new or one, this guy is a fresher, like that. So whatever you guys are went on the top, you should correct this basic spelling mistake itself. So this extension will give a spelling mistake while writing the code itself, so we can easily autocorrect that. So code spell checker helps to catching spelling error and typos into our code and comments. By preventing a simple and simple spelling mistakes, this extension contributes to the better code quality and ensure that your documentation is clean and professional. The next one, prettifier. So this prettifier also basing the major thing. While writing the code, after written the code, we need to structure the code, then only the next person can easily understand. So structuring is the best thing, we need to work on that. So we are having the section called prettifier, it will be automatically structure the code whenever you are doing the save. While editing the code after the saving, while saving itself, it will be format our code. So Prettifier is a powerful code formatter that automatically format our code according to predefined rules by ensuring and consistent coding style across your project. Prettifier ensures that code quality remains high even in collaborative development environment. So the nextly tab 9. So this is the major one. It also helps. This is mostly this looks like a autocomplete chat. So while writing the code itself, it will identify the what will be the next line of code. It will give a suggestion. So it will be easy thing while developers doing the work. So Tabline leverage AI to provide intelligent code complaints, making coding faster and more efficient. With support of multiple languages including JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, PHP, Go, and Java, Tableau comes a valuable assistant in enhancing your coding productivity and quality. So I have used this. This is the major thing when we are developing the thing. So it will give an auto suggestion. So I was like, oh, how this is calculating. So while typing the code, this is the major thing. You guys mustly try this tab 9. So the second is auto rename tag. So whenever you guys are using the HTML and XML tag, so if you are giving some wrong error, so it will automatically rename the tag name itself. For web developers working with HTML and XML, auto rename tag simplifies the process of renaming paired tags. This extension contribute to the code quality by preventing inconsistency and error who when modifying the tag names. So we are in the conclusion. By integrating those top-notch VS Code extensions into our development workflow, you can significantly improve our code quality, enhance collaboration, and streamline the development process. Remember, that's the key to maintain high quality code is a combination of consistent best practice, real-time analysis, and the right set of tools. Happy coding. Hope you guys learned a new thing today. If it's really useful, give a thumbs up and do a subscribe. Having any queries, reach me on comment box. Bye bye guys.